Hello everyone, my name is Rena. Thank you for joining me today on my channel. What we're going to be looking at is the FDIC coverage for 2023. So you can Google it, but just go to fdic.gov.
The Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, is an independent agency created by Congress to maintain stability and public confidence in the nation's financial system. To accomplish this mission, the FDIC insures deposits, examines, and supervises financial institutions for safety, soundness, and consumer protection, makes large and complex financial institutions revocable, and manages receiverships. The FDIC's electronic deposit insurance estimator, also known as Edie, can be used to calculate the insurance coverage of all types of deposit accounts offered by FDIC-insured banks, including checking accounts, savings accounts, money market deposit accounts, and certificates of deposit. Here in my example, I have chose Ally Bank and provided the state, city, and then the branch. And this is just the bank that I'm going to use here. You can definitely use any bank you want. All accounts at Ally are personal accounts. And the first account that I'm going to choose is just going to be a single with no beneficiaries. Just for my example, I'm just going to put in a name. And then once I get the name in there, I'll definitely say that the owner is living. And we'll just put for the example here, this is Jane's checking account. And we'll go ahead and list that she has an account balance of $200,000. Add to report. And then we're going to go ahead and choose to add another account. For this example, we'll just stay at the same bank. And this account is going to be a joint account with no beneficiaries. Our savings account has $440,000. And then we'll just add that to the report. And just looking at our report, our accounts are covered at this point underneath FDIC insurance coverage. So we're going to go ahead and add another account. This account is going to be a joint account with payable on death or in trust for beneficiaries added. So for this example, we're going to go ahead and put down 3 unique beneficiaries, just as if it were 3 children underneath a joint account with Jane and John Doe. Product type that I'm choosing in this example is just family CD. And then the balance, let's go ahead and give it a balance of $700,000. And let's go ahead and add to report. And you see with all of those unique beneficiaries, we are still covered underneath the FDIC insurance. We'll go ahead and add a new account. This account, we'll go ahead and make this the IRA, and we'll make it a Roth product IRA for Jane. And then we'll go ahead and say that in her Roth IRA, she has $260,000. And then we'll go ahead and add to report. And for the next one, we'll go ahead and make an IRA for John. His is a traditional IRA product. And let's go ahead and give him $220,000. We'll say that he's alive and add to report. Add a new account. And for this one, we're going to go ahead and create. So this account is going to be a payable on death and trust for. We'll just put it under Jane's name, and then we'll add St. Jude's Hospital as a charity or nonprofit. And just for organizing sakes, we'll call this our travel savings account. And we'll put our balance at $260,000 and add to report. And now that we have all of them together, we'll go ahead and say calculate coverage. So here in this example, we've got over $2 million that is federally insured in our example. You can go ahead and print this report, and on the report you can see that the single accounts and the joint accounts both show as insured. On the joint accounts, it's $250,000 per. And then on the single, it's per. And then the retirement accounts, it looks like Jane's account, there is $10,000 that she would want to look at, seeing how she could get that moved. And then if you look here, all the balances in our example are covered except for $10,000. And if you want more information, you just can go to FDIC.gov. The phone number 877-275-3342. And if you got any information from this video, I'd appreciate you giving us a thumbs up. And if you want more content like this, go ahead and hit subscribe. And I appreciate your viewership, and thank you so much. One human family.